All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perimeter of triangles and rectangles. Whenever you're trying to find the perimeter, you're trying to find the outside edge or the distance around that particular figure. And in order to do that, the only thing we have to do is just add all of the sides. So let's take a look at perimeter of rectangles. When we have our rectangle, we have a length and a width. If we notice here, we have a length of 7, which means the opposite side would also be 7 because opposite sides are congruent or equal. And same thing goes with the width. This width is 4, therefore this width over here would be 4 as well. So now that we have all of that information labeled, all we have to do is apply our formula. And our formula is add all sides. So sometimes I just write add all sides, and we're going to be adding a 7 plus another 7 plus a 4 plus one more 4. And when we add all of those together, we end up with 22. Our unit is feet. Now we're not trying to see how many squares it would take. We're trying to just find a distance. So because of that, we're going to leave that as 22 feet instead of 22 feet squared. Now let's take a look at perimeter of triangles. We're going to do the same exact thing. We have all the parts labeled already that we need. So all we have to do is apply our formula. And our formula, again, is just to add all sides. So I'm going to add a 7. I'm going to add a 6, and I'm also going to add a 10. And when I add all of those together, I end up with 23. Our unit is inches, and again, we're not trying to figure out how many squares it would take. We're just trying to find the distance around. So because of that, we're going to leave that as 23 inches as opposed to 23 inches squared. So whenever you're finding the perimeter, whether it's of triangles or rectangles, all you have to do is add all of the sides.